Most people think the secret to strong legs is exercise alone, but the truth is much bigger. What you eat, how you move, and the small daily choices you make are what determine whether your legs will carry you with power or give up on you when you need them most. Strong legs aren't built in a single workout, they're built in the ordinary moments of everyday life. Each time you rise from a chair, each step you take, each bite of food you choose, you are either feeding strength or feeding weakness. The science is clear. Legs are made and remade every single day through nutrition, circulation, movement, and recovery. Ignore one and the others can't protect you. Honor them all and your legs can remain powerful for a lifetime. Imagine this: you add oranges, spinach, salmon, yogurt, nuts, and beans to your diet. With every serving, you are fueling your muscles with protein, strengthening your bones with calcium, protecting your joints with omega-3s, and supercharging your circulation with polyphenols and nitrates. These foods don't just nourish, they instruct your body. They tell your blood vessels to stay open, your collagen to stay firm, your bones to stay dense, your muscles to repair quickly after every step. Food is not passive. It's the most active, most consistent medicine you take, whether you realize it or not. But food alone cannot give you lasting strength. Your body is designed to move. The legs are the engine of circulation, the pump that drives blood back to the heart, the foundation that carries your independence. Without movement, nutrients never reach their full potential. You can eat the best foods in the world, but if you stay still, the energy sits idle. That's why daily movement, even in small amounts, is so powerful. A 10-minute walk after dinner, climbing the stairs instead of waiting for the elevator, rising from a chair without using your hands, or doing light stretches before bed. These tiny moments whisper to your muscles, stay alive, stay strong, stay ready. Think about oxygen. Your muscles cannot contract without it. Walking outside, breathing deeply, swinging your arms as your legs stride forward, this simple act increases oxygen delivery to every fiber of your legs. When you move, your blood vessels open, your heart pumps harder, and nutrients from food flow where they're needed most. Without movement, circulation slows, oxygen drops, toxins build up, and the legs grow weaker. With movement, blood surges, cells regenerate, energy rises, and the legs rebuild themselves stronger than before. Now picture the role of rest. It's easy to overlook, but your muscles don't grow when you move. They grow when you recover. Sleep is when growth hormone rises, when tissues repair, when the damage of the day is undone. Miss this window, and your legs pay the price. Poor sleep equals poor recovery. Poor recovery equals weak muscles and fragile bones. A strong night of sleep is like a deep repair workshop for your legs, stitching fibers together, hardening bone structure, refreshing joint fluid, and preparing you for another day of movement. Hydration, too, is a quiet hero. Muscles are nearly 75% water. Without it, they cramp, stiffen, and falter. Joints dry out, cartilage wears down, and pain becomes your daily companion. But when you drink enough water, the fluid cushions your knees, lubricates your hips, and allows every step to be smoother, lighter, easier. Something as simple as a glass of water can mean the difference between stiffness and freedom. Strong legs are not about lifting the heaviest weight or running the fastest mile. They are about being able to stand without wobbling, to climb stairs without gasping, to walk across the room without fear of falling. They are about the confidence of knowing your body will not betray you when you need it. Every time you sit too long, you send your body the signal that your legs aren't important. Every time you choose stillness over movement, you let weakness creep in quietly. But every time you rise, every time you stretch, every time you choose to take a step, you send the opposite message: my legs matter, my strength matters, my life matters. Consider balance. Weak legs are the #1 predictor of falls in older adults, and falls are not small events. They can steal independence in a single moment. Yet balance isn't only about practice, it's about muscle strength and joint stability. The foods you eat strengthen bone, the movements you make strengthen muscle, and together they build the stability that keeps you upright when the ground shifts beneath you. Energy is another piece of the puzzle. When your legs weaken, fatigue sets in quickly. You don't want to walk, you don't want to move, you don't want to live fully, but when your legs are strong, you feel energy radiate upward through your whole body. You breathe deeper, you stand taller, you think clearer. Strong legs are not just physical strength, they are the engine of your vitality, the roots of your energy, the signal that your body is still alive and thriving. Think about freedom. The ability to rise and walk across a room, to leave your house without help, to play with your grandchildren, to shop for your own groceries, to travel, to live life on your terms. All of this rests on your legs. The moment your legs weaken beyond repair, you hand over your freedom to others. But as long as your legs stay strong, you stay in command of your life. So every time you choose food, choose strength. Every time you move, even for 5 minutes, choose strength. Every time you drink water, stretch or rest well, choose strength. This is not about vanity or appearance. This is about the core of your independence, the foundation of your mobility, the essence of your freedom. Weak legs can steal your life away quietly, but strong legs can give you years, even decades of vitality.